Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a more fun video showing you how to clean out a refrigerator the Alex Ottinger way. Okay, here we go. So the fridge is over here, and it has old stuff. This is like frozen milk, more frozen milk, expired milk, more frozen milk, old things, and more old stuff. Don't worry, this old stuff is just like stuff that it's mainly old frozen milk. So, to get started, when your milk is frozen, the number one way to melt it, well, not really melt it, to crush it, is demolish it. As you can see, totally frozen milk. Okay, here we go. Milk that was frozen. Milk that was frozen, not frozen no more. So, now we pour out the frozen milk. Okay, I know the only person probably going to be watching this video is Javion, but show you some more reasons. So Javion had to clean out the fridge because he does not know how to clean. Okay. Milk flip. Milk flip again. Oh, we landed it! Like that. We're going to pour out the milk the simple and calm way. Okay, just gotta open it, take the cap off. Just look. Completely slushy. What if you could turn this to a slushy though? Now, pouring out the milk the calm way. Die, milk! Die! 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 Now, I am showing you. Now, I will show you how to get frozen milk out of the milk carton without touching it, the inside of the frozen milk. Yeah. Oh. Now I'm gonna have to clean this off the darn. Get your remainings. Yeah, that's how you get milk. Dang it. Okay. Now we're moving on to the next milk carton. As you see, this milk carton's kind of demolished a little bit, but it's frozen milk, so it don't need to be alive anymore. You stupid cat, get out the way, you're ruining my video. fish. Next, we are gonna be seeing how you do something different. Smelly, milky, probably turn into yogurt. Expired milk. January 17th. I don't know why it's still in here. You couldn't pay me to drink that. Okay, so this old expired milk, take the cap off. I'm gonna be showing you how to get rid of it. Want to smell? Okay. It's not chunky yet, but 3, 2, 1. Expired milk demolishment. I'm just gonna go over here. If you see. Ah! Yeah. Oh yeah. Now I just gotta cover that up. And it might take me a second, so just hang out right here. And I'll be back in a little bit. Gotta wish. And with dustpan equals tornado. Expired milk demolished. Now we just gotta smash it. Now I'm gonna smash the milk so I can throw it in the trash can. Yeah. Smashed. The lid won't go back on. It's not how it's planned. Now time for chips and salsa. Okay. Now I'm just gonna put this right here, my camera. Put it right here. I can see the trash can, right? Trash can lid. Old salsa. It worked. Mushrooms. Wait, what's the date on these? 1928. No, never mind. Hey, Brian! 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 Old apples. Yum on. frozen milk. Eh. Biscuits. Open can of black beans. I don't know what this is, but it's old. Old pudding. Yeah? Huh? I was gonna ask if you want me to throw away the mushrooms, but I already threw them away. Yeah. They have white gooey stuff at the bottom, so it's like, nah. Okay, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. And remember, that's the way to clean out your refrigerator. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and leave a like. Bye.